the movie star now. I don't have time for this.